Hello. Wikipedia's picture of the day, May 31, 2021. Today's video is about Shōrin-zu byōbu. Shōrin-zu byōbu is a pair of 6-panel folding screens byōbu, by the Japanese artist Hasegawa Tōhaku, the founder of the Hasegawa school. The ink-on paperwork dates from the late 16th century and depicts a view of Japanese pine trees in the mist, with parts of the trees visible and other parts obscured. The screens are held by the Tokyo National Museum, and were designated as a national treasure of Japan in 1952. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and share.